gonna try and catch toady fish or catch something to put on the grill. So let's see how good we are at catching fish today. Let's see. We're keeping our fingers crossed because we have to get something to eat. So this lovely, spectacular view. And it's so pretty. So while they catch or try to catch fish, we will be going and making some spicy ramen noodle soup while we wait. So guys, let's get to it.
That mommy didn't bring no spoons, no bowls. I hope she bring a fork.
And we have our arugula red pepper sauce.
Mommy, do that again?
Arugula red pepper sauce.
Good, 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 good.
Anything?
I don't know. Doesn't seem like it.
I add some oil. Add some pepper in it. I'm going to add the shrimp, cook up the shrimp first. So here I add the sweet peppers and the cabbage here to the shrimp. I'm going to just let this cook up here for a while. The shrimp is finished cooking. So this is where I'm going to boil the ramen in it. It burns, burning. So we didn't catch any fish.
Not yet. God, mommy.
So
let me try the.
So the water for the soup here.
Very good. You wanna show them this?
Okay, so just sorted up the shrimp and the vegetables, cabbage, red and white, and sweet peppers here. So I'm going to set this aside. This will go to the, when the noodles go in the water.
What's going on here?
And then I cut up this here, it's very small, to put with the soup, with the ramen soup here. So guys, I bought this. Mr. Noodles instant.
This way?
Fast, easy way.
Yeah, if it's not open.
You see, I have put some corn in it here. Oh, sorry.
Tier 1, tier 5.
Let's add a few more fat bit. This is my way of doing ramen. It doesn't have to be your way, this is mine. Guys, we adding back the shrimp and the vegetables to the ramen noodle soup. Adding back up these things too. Ooh. Soup galore. Nice. Then you have the soup inside here. And the picture of it. Ooh, I'm just turning it up here. Nice. Can you smell that, guys?
Yes, Dad. Mommy just add something in again.
This is the finishing touch of our ramen. Our spicy shrimp ramen noodles soup.
Mama.
Soup.
Daddy,
Yeah, baby.
you need to kick them.
Yeah.
Bubble the back up.
And nature will come and kick it back down, you know. That's just the way nature works.
Mother nature. So we do something.
Mother Nature. She's all powerful.
Nice. Right?
Yes, Dylan. How's the spicy shrimp ramen?
They're good.
All right, very good. Malachi, Darius, and Ariana, how's the spicy shrimp ramen?
Good. Come to me last.
Why?
Big thing to tell you.
Oh, big thing to tell you. Darius, can you actually shovel any more in your mouth, or are you good? Like, you want me to help you eat your shrimp? Your shrimp looking. How come you got so many shrimp? All right, big thing last. Big thing last. Tell me.
It is like Chinese food. I give it a 10 out of 10.
Well, that doesn't surprise me. You give everything a 10 out of 10.
I thought it's supposed to be spicy shrimp something, but it's not spicy.
Not spicy? Okay, let's see.
Hurry here.
Check out this huge Portuguese man of war. It's huge. Look at the tentacles. Boys, you don't want to be touching that. I'll tell you, it's some pretty purple though. It's a very pretty purple. Boys, I think some of the most beautiful things in nature are the most deadly. But you don't want to be fooling with that baby. He'll sting you bad. Let's put him out of the way. We're gonna bury him.